a representation. What exists is an ontology. Okay, the set of object relation concept. What is the relation between all these concepts is called ontology. What is the relation? Okay, proper like knowledge of knowledge. Properties formally described so that software agent can interpret them. Okay, the semantics of these are captured as description, logic, concept, roles, individuals, typically implemented as classes, properties, individuals in the web ontology language. Okay, so this is the representation of knowledge. And then among the most difficult problems in the knowledge representation, default reasoning and the qualification problem. Many of these problems known uh, take the form of working assumptions. For example, if a bird come up in conversation, okay, people typically picture a first size animal that sings and flies. Okay, people will say it is singing, it is say some raga, some birds. There are birds who also sing raga. So they're singing and also flying. That is that is typically people will perceive it. And some of these things are true about all birds, and some birds are different feature. They have different what we say ontology. Right, they have different features. Every bird has a different feature. And so there are problems. So when you define an algorithm with specific features of a specific bird, so you need to go deeper into understanding the architect when you are designing artificial intelligence program.